Spring is here, so let's do a reset. I'm focusing on 5 different things today. We're gonna be talking about clearing the clutter, refreshing your space, and just starting this season feeling lighter. So let's get going. Number 1, we're going to clear out your emails. Okay, if you're the person that has hundreds or thousands of unread emails, that is where you're gonna start, okay? Go through and try to get that down as much as possible. Either give yourself a time limit, do it on your lunch breaks, do it while you're watching TV, however you wanna do it, but focus on doing that this week. If you are not the person that struggles with having a lot of unread emails, then you are gonna focus on unsubscribing to the junk mail, to the companies you no longer are interested in. I have been getting so many more just spam emails lately, it feels like, and it feels so nice to hit that unsubscribe button. So quick win before you can do it now if you want. Keep listening to this video and go ahead and unsubscribe to 10 emails or delete 10 emails. Number 2, we're gonna go through those photos on your phone. When is the last time you really went through and purged those photos? One tip that I like to use is to add a reminder to your calendar. Otherwise, months, years, forever goes by and we never go back and delete any of them. Maybe you have a picture of a menu, that you sent a friend because you guys were going to dinner and you needed their order, or you took a screenshot of something that you no longer need. But if you don't have a reminder to go back, they just kind of pile up. It's wasting space. It's just a waste. So quick win, go through this previous month, the last month that we had when you're watching this, go through all of those photos right now. I don't want to overwhelm you by saying start from the beginning, but if you can just do last month's, you'll feel so much better. Maybe you'll be on a roll and continue to go back and look at all the photos. Number 3, let's talk about your winter wardrobe. We're talking about clothing and accessories here. If you said to yourself, hey, if I don't wear this jacket this season, I'm gonna be done with it. Or if you're like me, I said, you know what? I've got these boots. If I don't wear them this fall, this winter, I'm done with them. All right, I'm done with them. I didn't wear them. So I want you're already gonna be kind of changing out your wardrobe. Hopefully the temperatures are getting a little bit warmer where you are. Go through and do a hard audit of your closet. If you didn't wear it this season, think about selling it, think about donating it, and then go ahead and kind of start, if you're the person that does a seasonal wardrobe kind of switch out, go ahead and start that process. But as you're doing it, take it slowly. As you're doing it, be intentional. So often we just kind of put things away. If you live in a climate where you actually pack up your winter clothes, you're switching those things out. Sometimes we just wash them and forget it and put it back. But if you are intentional right now, it'll save you time later and you'll just have less to store. Your quick win, pull out everything you didn't wear this season and focus on that to begin with. My suggestion is to get rid of it. All right, next up, linens. Your linens are another one of those things that so often we use these blankets, use our sheets, whatever, and then just put them away. Whether, a lot of times we use heavier sheets for the winter and we just kind of put them away without really thinking too much of it. But I want you to do a hard audit of your linen closet as well. Your quick win is gonna be, go ahead right now, strip your bed, wash those sheets, and then decide, are you gonna keep something heavy like that on your bed or are you switching out to something new? I love a down comforter in my house, even if it's summer. I like to use it because it's just so cozy. But we gave my son one of my old ones that I had tried over and over to repair. And it's literally, there's just feathers all over his room from every time he moves it. So I either need to find a cover that I like to try to contain those, or give it to someone else who can fix it better than I can. But those are the things I'm talking about. Get them clean, get them out of your house, or just get them kind of swapped out and put away. Next up, bathroom and beauty products. A lot of times in the winter, we use different products than we use in the spring and summer. So we're gonna go through those winter products. If you're still wearing them, using them, no big deal. But I want you to go ahead and start checking those expiration dates. Start looking at products that maybe you bought last year and you didn't use this winter, quick win is going to be go ahead and check the expiration date on 3 different things. You pick what it is, okay? I'm gonna give you the freedom to do that. Get rid of anything that's expired. I always say that. And if it has, on your beauty product, sometimes it has a little open jar that says 6 months, 12 months. If you can't think to when you bought it, it's probably expired, right? And I don't like to mess around with a whole lot of that stuff. My family's skin is pretty sensitive, so we just don't really kind of play around with expiration dates. You can decide, if you want to go a little bit older than it is. That's up to you, but I want you to quickly, you can do it as you're listening to this, go check 3 things, make sure they're all good, and then do a deeper dive. Like I said, switch out the products that you're not going to be using. Maybe, it's like a heavy cream for your face. Maybe you're not using that right now. Your skin isn't as dry because it's not the dead of winter. So start swapping those out for your lighter, fresher products. Go ahead and get rid of anything that has just use, and then get rid of the bottle, anything that has just a little bit left, right? Just be done with it. Start this season fresh and clean and new. All right, these are the first 5 spring reset items I have for you. The best part is you can do it all in a weekend. You can do it all in a night if you don't have a busy schedule. Looking forward to this fresh new season with you. Thanks for being here, and I'll talk to you guys soon.